Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share how to fix the problem of battery icon not showing in Windows 10 taskbar. As you can clearly see, there is no battery icon showing here in the taskbar. This is very annoying because without battery icon, you can't get any idea of how much power is left. So to fix this problem, right click on the taskbar. Go to taskbar settings. Click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. Here you can see the power icon is already on. Let's try to toggle it on and off if it works. But still there is no battery icon. So let's go back and click on turn system icons on and off. As you can see, the power icon is faded, so you can't able to on or off it. So let's close this page because it is not working. Go to the start menu. Click on my PC or my computer. Click on computer, then go to manage. On the left hand side, click on the device manager. Then go to batteries as we are fixing the battery issue. Double click on batteries. Here you can see under batteries there are two drivers. Let's try to update them one by one. Click on the first, update driver. Search automatically for drivers. So this is already updated. Let's try for the next one. So there is no need to update. So let's try to disable and enable them one by one. Let's disable the first one, then enable it. So still there is no battery icon appearing here. So let's try with the second driver. Right click, disable it, then again enable it. You can see as I just enabled the second driver, the battery icon appears on the taskbar. So all you need to check the battery drivers and enable and disable it one by one, or you need to update it to fix the battery icon issue in the taskbar. I hope you liked the video. If you are facing any other issue regarding the same problem, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thank you.